This is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the Vermont and Essex 1950s layout, and this is St Albans. Now everything here would be as it was in St Albans. They built this according to photographs. All the vehicles are period 1950s. And probably the most beautiful thing here is the St Albans Central Vermont Depot, complete with the train shed. Beautiful architectural model here. This was the Central Vermont headquarters at the time. Here's a doodle bug. Looks like it's been modified as a Sperry rail car. And here's a really big roundhouse. Here you can see schematics where they plug in. St Albans with the Canadian Central Vermont, the old Herald. There's a snowplow. And I'm going to follow this as it comes around. There's a train coming here at this crossing, coming around the bend.